How to disable double tap to pause live wallpaper on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable double tap to pause live wallpaper on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok, and here we'll find profile. Click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner, and now click settings and privacy, and then just scroll down until you find this one, wallpaper. And now click settings here in the top corner, and here we'll find it. If you want, you will find it like that. If you want to disable it, just click on it, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.